It is our great honor to stand before you today at the 4th International Research Conference hosted by St. Dominic College of Asia. We extend our warmest greetings to all the distinguished guests, fellow researchers, and participants gathered here. Good day, everyone. I am Suzette M. Peñaverde, together with my co-researcher, John Harold B. Podaca, students from Landi National High School, presenting our research study entitled Unveiling the Journey, a Qualitative Exploration of Academic Hurdles Among High-Achieving Students from Grade 11 Youth.
High-achieving students are academically gifted students. They have better knowledge and understanding of what requirements to do in advance. Students who are in the honor list have certain abilities that differ them from other students. When students start entering new learning environments, they also start having different academic problems. According to Luther, Kramer, and Ziller 2020, different challenges such as bullying, discrimination, academic pressure, financial instability, and some mental health issues that can greatly affect a student's academic performance.
The reasons behind why the researchers come up with this kind of study is to have a deeper understanding about the various academic struggles of high-achieving students, to determine the impacts of these struggles to high-achieving students, particularly on their academic performance, and to evaluate the different strategies applied by high-achieving students in order to overcome these academic struggles.
This study assesses the struggles faced by high-achieving students of grade 11 youths, particularly within Landi National High School, Landi, Santa Cruz, Marinduque. Specifically, this study seeks to answer the following questions. How do high-achieving students experience everyday academic struggles? Second, how do these challenges affect the students in terms of their academic performance? Lastly, what coping mechanisms are commonly applied by high-achieving students to surpass these struggles?
The data was gathered from the selected 5 high-achieving students from grade 11 UMS of Landi National High School, since both the respondents and the researchers came from the said institution. This study is qualitative in nature and is phenomenological since this kind of research is a live experience that reflects the personal insights based on the daily lives of the respondents. In data gathering procedure, semi-structured questions were used in interviews and in-depth interpretations were done.
Table 1 revealed that academic struggles faced by high-achieving students include disturbances and task overload, which can lead to lack of time, whereas it adds to the struggles of high-achieving students. To support these findings, a study conducted by Darwin and Ruskis 2015 concluded that task overload or heavy workload mostly leads to higher levels of stress and burnout and even poor health, which affects the student's satisfaction.
Meanwhile, Table 2 shows the impacts of the said challenges on the academic performance of high-achieving students. It affects the productivity of the students in school, and they feel discomfort around other people. On the other hand, it also affects their resiliency, wherein these struggles threaten their stability and their ability to face this. According to Johan and Kit in 2011, students concerning the burdens of academic tasks and their ability to complete them with success influence the amount of effort they expend on academic pursuits. In short, if they are willing to make an effort, there will be a little progress at best.
To surpass these struggles, Table 3 shows that high-achieving students develop various coping strategies, including strengthening their stability. It is by prioritizing tasks and maintaining a good balance between household chores and academic tasks. These also include peer factors or when the students try to open up themselves to their friends and families. Lastly, recreation, where the students gave themselves a break to relax their minds. As stated by Kasim and Shakira 2001, the deeper the recreation activities, the more positive the individual's aspiration for in-class learning.
According to the data presented in the tables, most of the respondents have been struggling due to their own irresponsibility in managing their time. They have simultaneous tasks to do like household chores and school activities. On the other hand, some of them get distracted by online games. This affects them academically, especially their productivity in school and their ways of communicating, although some of them gain some benefits. A study conducted by Johan and Kitty in 2011, students concerning the burdens of academic tasks and their ability to complete them with success influence the amount of effort they expend on academic pursuits. In short, if they are willing to make an effort, there will be a little progress at best. Based on feedbacks, these struggles can be surpassed by being responsible in prioritizing important tasks and giving yourself a break like hanging out with friends, listening to music, reading, sleeping, going on the gym, and other kinds of relaxation.
This study highlighted the effects of these struggles on high-achieving students and delved deeply into how these students surpass these academic struggles. The students surpass this by applying some strategies like recreational activities in order to relax the students' minds. Also, knowing how to prioritize tasks and having a good balance between household chores and school can increase the productivity of high-achieving students. These findings have important implications for future studies and interventions in identifying the various struggles of high-achieving students. This also emphasizes the need for schools to implement different programs and activities to provide the students' needs in study.
Based on the findings of this research study, the following recommendations are suggested by the researchers. First, the teachers must assist students in identifying priorities and making informed decisions on how to allocate their time. Next, examine how parental support, guidance, and expectations influence student motivations, stress management, and overall academic success among high-achieving students from grade 11 UMS. Then, to implement peer support network support within schools, specifically tailored to the needs of high-achieving students of grade 11 UMS to have them navigate their academic struggles more effectively. And lastly, encourage students to participate in study groups, academic clubs, and other extracurricular activities where students can collaborate, share resources, and provide encouragement to each other.
Complete lists of references can be accessed on the IMRADS format provided by the researcher. Thank you.
That would be all. Thank you so much, St. Dominic College of Asia. We are now ready for your questions, suggestions, and recommendations.